going to start sharing my screen now, and I'm going to sign in with my demonstration account. And the first thing that I'm going to see here is a list of courses that I have got access to. I'm going to launch the Tesla course, and this is more intended as a product training course. And what we can see in the background here is an immersive background, and this can be applied on a per course basis. And across the header row here, we can adjust the color scheme to suit your organization, as well as replacing the SALT logo with your logo. This particular course is giving us a very short introduction, and we've got an image of what this particular product is. As we start to browse through, we've got an embedded video that's sitting in here, and we can embed video links from nearly any source. And those sources could be YouTube, they could be Vimeo, it could be from a SharePoint site, any application that allows for us to actually embed that video content. As I start browsing through, we can see our course structure, which comprises of a number of different topics and modules. When I click the Start button, it's going to give us an overview of this particular topic, and in this case, it's going to be the performance basics to this particular car. We can set SALT Adaptive up so that we can essentially assess ourselves out of the learning material. So if I were to successfully answer all 5 of these quiz questions, the system knows that I know enough about this particular topic, and it will then mark me as complete, and it will then move me on to the next topic. So at this point, I can either choose to continue learning, or I can take the assessment. If I do choose to take the assessment, the system's saying that I need to get 4 of these questions out of 5 correct. So I'm going to show you through the various question types that we have, and this is a sort of drag and drop to get the pins in the right order in order to answer these questions correctly. So first of all, I need to choose the center of gravity, where the power steering is, and where the powertrain is. I select my answer button, and we can see here that I've got that question correct. Great. I'll choose the continue button. The next option that we have here is to put the responses into the correct order. And so I click drag and drop, and I put them into the order that I think is the right way. We've got a reveal answers button, and this button is made available if we choose to enable it. And the same for the skip remaining option as well. So if I feel like I've stumbled into some questions and I really don't know enough about it, I can choose to skip the remaining, or I can choose to reveal those answers too. Great, looks like I'm doing quite well on this particular course. The next one we're going to choose here, this is a single choice question, and I'm going to answer this one. Oh dear, looks like I got that one incorrect. I'm going to move on. We've now got some multiple choice, and I'm going to try some of these out. Oh dear, looks like I'm not doing too well with this. And the last one here is to sort of fill in the gaps with the responses. So I type in what the response is, and this is I'm pretty sure it's got a 50-50 distribution. This is the sort of the weight distribution. Great, I got that correct. When I choose the continue button, this is now going to give me an overview of my assessment. And we can see here that I was required to pass 4 questions. I only got 3 correct, unfortunately. And I can see here that for questions 1, 2, and 5, I got those right, and 3 and 4 were incorrect. Now, depending on how we've set up this course, we can get the quiz questions to accumulate. And what that means is that after I've read through this learning material, if the accumulation is on, I will not get presented with those same 3 questions again. That's already marked me as correct for those, and I'll only get presented with 2 more questions that I'll need to answer. So in this case, I'm going to continue. I'd need to read through all of the learning material here in order to hopefully pass this assessment. I'll just click through. And we're now back at the assessment area. So it knows that I've already answered 3 of those questions correctly, and it's only going to ask me 2 more questions, and I need to get 1 of those correct. So I'm going to now take my assessment, and I'm going to hopefully answer this single choice question correctly. Excellent. And let me see if I can remember this one here. It may be this one. No good. Okay. But importantly, the question, I will now pass through this because I was able to meet the minimum requirement of getting 4 quiz questions correctly. So now that I've got that correct, I could then proceed on to the next topic within this particular course.